Hello, I'm Miss Kelly, and we will start with your test. What's your name and how do you spell it?
My name is Damien. I spelled it Njuyen.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people other in my family. My mom, my dad, my grandpa, my grandma, and me.
What color is your hair?
It's black.
What color are your eyes?
They are black and white.
What animal do you like?
I like panda.
What things have you got in your bedroom?
I have a bed, a pillow, and a blanket.
Very good. Okay. Is there a teddy next to the bed?
Yes, there is.
Is there a bed in the bedroom?
Yes, there is.
How many socks are there on the floor?
There are 2 socks in the floor.
What's under the desk?
It's a box.
Where's the blanket?
It's on the bed.
What color is the blanket?
It's red.
Where's the computer?
It's on the table.
What's on the wall?
It's a picture.
How many pens are there on the cupboard?
There are 3 pens are there in the cupboard.
How many books are there on the shelf?
There are 3 books are there in the shelf.
Very good. Okay. Now look at the pictures and answer my questions. What can he do?
He can draw.
What can the girl dance?
Yes, she can.
Can the boy sing?
No, he can't.
What can the monkey do?
He can climb.
Can the girl walk?
No, she can't.
Can the boy swim?
No, he can't.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.